Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Nano Banana and you can use it for do the editing for your graphic design. How to do that? So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. So here I will access the Nano Banana from my Google Gemini AI and you can simply access it from the 2.5 flash version. Don't worry because you can find the tool to do the editing or the photo editing by clicking the tool and create image here. As you can see, there are the symbol of banana. That means that this Gemini AI has been embedded or related into the Nano Banana. And for example, guys, I would like to edit the picture, for example, by this picture and this picture. For example, I want that the woman that the photo I will upload it here to change the attire to become the Mexican attire. So you can simply put your prompt into this section. For example, I have prepared it for you guys. So you can put the prompt like this, change the attire of this Viking woman into the Mexican female attire following the picture. And the woman hair still braided. And don't forget to upload the picture here. And after waiting for maybe 30 seconds, so the result will be like this, guys. And for example, I would like to refine this prompt, the background changed to be into the Mexican party at the house. And you can update it and this picture will be changed into the different section or into different picture following this prompt, guys. So the picture will be come to any second and so this will be the picture. As you can see that this but the party is already following this prompt. There are mariachi and people are cheer and enjoy the party, but still this woman following the previous picture. So you can refine your request by click this edit prompt. For example, I want the woman also enjoying the party with the others. For example, you can simply update it or give it an enter from your keyboard and kindly wait for the several seconds until the picture will be shown into this section. So if you have any another suggestion, guys, that there is another platform that can do the same like this Nano Banana. So please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there and we would love to create a video in another version. So this is the picture after we refine the prompt. So might be the picture or this woman is not go along with these people but also has presented the enjoyment of the party. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining and don't forget to try this Nano Banana and I hope your project always run good with the Nano Banana. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.